I went through my BSN program through the Access program, which was very beneficial for me as a first-generation college student. The college was very supportive. That left an impression on me as I graduated and kind of made me want to go back for my DNP. My personal professional experiences support me choosing the adult geri track for my DNP program. The adult population, that's the foundation of my nursing skills. That's who I'm familiar with, who I've worked with, and what I'm confident in working with.
The reason why I chose MSU is my campus is because it offered me a wealth of opportunity, and I took advantage of all the opportunities. The instructors there were wonderful. I rose to the challenge, which helped prepare me for the future. So I am so glad I made that choice.
What it means to me as a non-physician provider, based on the education I got at Michigan State University, you're able to provide exceptional care to the economically challenged, medically underserved, and while at the same time you were able to treat them the way you want your family treated.
Nurses that are nurse practitioners tend to work in areas of marginalized populations, so it's important for nurses to be empathetic when it comes to the compassion that we provide.
And when you can integrate the art and the science, that's what MSU was very good at. That what drew me to the program. I love the humanistic approach that was built upon the superstructure of evidence. Go Greek.